How to become an ethical hacker? Any person who is serious to become an ethical hacker should be aware of the challenges they might face. If you think that you will get to the expert level in few weeks or months, then I am sorry to bring you the bad news. It won't be so easy. In fact, it will take you years to become an expert ethical hacker. Therefore, if you are not ready to spend your time and effort, then this might not be the right place for you. With this introduction, I am not trying to discourage you. I am simply trying to make sure that if you have enough motivation and willpower to achieve this goal or not. So you are consciously watching this video. Well, that's good by taking this decision. Now there is one problem. Where should you start? Well, don't worry about that. You have come to the right place. In this video, I will give you the step-by-step guide to become an ethical hacker. I also add many links that might be help you. Before we start, I want to tell you that this video is only for educational purposes. Not the channel or the content creator promotes any illegal activities. This video is surely for educational purposes only. And by the way, we will discuss here only about ethical hacking, and ethical hacking is completely legal. So today I will give you the 10 steps to become an ethical hacker. The first step you have to do is to learn Unix. Unix is a multitasking and multi-user computer operating system that is designed to provide security to the systems. This operating system was developed by some employees in Bell Labs. The best way to learn it is to get into an open source version, for example CentOS, and install the run the same Unix on your own computer. You can operate internet without learning Unix, but it is not possible for you to become an internet hacker without understanding Unix. The second step you have to do is to learn programming languages. When you are trying to become an ethical hacker, it's very important to learn other modern computer programming languages such as Python, Java, C, and etc. There are hundreds of program tutorials available on web to learn. We have already made a separate video about it. I am giving the link in description. You can go through it and watch that video. The third step you have to do is to learn networking concepts. Networking concepts needs to be sharp when you want to become an ethical hacker. You need to learn how networks are created, difference between different types of networks, having a clear understanding of TCP, IP, and UDP protocols. Also, you have to understand what is subnet, LAN, WAN, and MAN, and how they differ from each other. The fourth step you have to do is to watch some tutorials about ethical hacking. This is the simple and best way to start. Watch as many tutorials as possible that are meant for ethical hacking. There are many free hacking tutorials available on the web to learn. We have already made a separate video about it. I am giving the link in description. You can go through it and watch that video. The fifth step you have to do is to learn cryptography. As an expert hacker, you need to understand and master the art of cryptography. The technology of cryptography and encryption is very important for internet and networking. It is the practice and study of techniques that are used for secure communication in the presence of third parties. The sixth step you have to do is to read some good books written by experts. Reading will always enhance your knowledge. Try to read as many books and articles as possible written by experts in the field of ethical hacking. The seventh step you have to do is experiment a lot. This is an important step for setting yourself up as an ethical hacker. Set up a lab on your own to experiment the learning on the practical applications. The simplest lab will have your computer. However, once you advance, you may want to add more and more computers and require hardware for your experiments. The eighth step you have to do is to participate in hacking challenges. Regular participate in hacking challenges can help you to learn more and sharpen your knowledge. There are several companies that organize these challenges in order to check the vulnerability of their software products. Apart from that, there are some websites that are listed in a description that regularly offer hacking challenges online. You can register yourself on these websites and participate in hacking challenges. The ninth step you have to do is to write vulnerability. The vulnerability of a program is the weakness of a program. It is a good approach to look for the vulnerability of an existing program and share the same with other people. In this way, you will have the option to collect varied opinions from different sources, enabling you to hone your current skill set. The 10th step you have to do is continue learning and keep practicing whatever you learned. The Key of success in hacking career is continuous learning, reading books, blogs and articles about hacking that are available at many sites on the web, and also practicing all the things that you have learned, because practice makes a man perfect. So these are 10 exact steps that can teach you how to be an ethical hacker and help you to walk on the road of being an expert hacker. However, you should be a responsible citizen. You don't use these skills to breach the security of important institutions, as it may land you in their situations. Therefore, be a smart hacker and more importantly, be a responsible hacker. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel Crash for more informative videos. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.